Before you begin, remove the access panel, the front bezel, the expansion cards if installed, the memory, the M.2 solid-state drive if installed, the wireless LAN module, the fan diverter rear or rear system fan if installed, the flex port with USB-C if installed, the heatsink and fan assembly, and the CPU. Removal. Disconnect all cables from the motherboard, making careful note of their location for reinstallation. Remove the 7 Torx T15 screws that secure the motherboard to the chassis. Lift the motherboard out of the chassis and remove. Replacement. Lower the motherboard onto the chassis and align it with the metal tabs on the chassis. Position the motherboard against the rear I/O panel and align the screw holes. Replace the 7 Torx T15 screws to secure the motherboard to the chassis. Reconnect all cables to the motherboard.